In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we promote Amazon affiliate links on TikTok to earn passive income every single day. If you are just starting out or already on TikTok, this strategy are beginner friendly and proven to work. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start making money with Amazon Associate and TikTok today. As you can see over here, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard, and in commissions I made $139,753 in commission last year promoting Amazon affiliate links with free traffic. In this video I will share with you my method with TikTok. So let's get started. So for people who want to start promoting Amazon affiliate links on TikTok, first you guys need to create an Amazon affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to Google and you will search for Amazon Associate. Okay, and let me show you, and click on this link over here, Amazon Associate. Okay, like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Amazon Associate. Click on sign up like this, and click over here on create your Amazon account. And here you go. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name here, your email address, password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. The sign up process is super easy, will take just few minutes from your time, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing. Okay, this will be your home, your dashboard account. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good and trending product that you will start promoting on TikTok. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. No, you need to choose a profitable product that people will be interested to buy from you on TikTok, and you need to see and to know which products are trending right now on TikTok. Okay, so what we will do is we will use this website. You can go to Google and search for ShopL. Okay, you can click on this link over here and you can sign up using your email address. So this website will help you to find a trending product and scale your affiliate marketing business on TikTok. This website is very helpful and it's helped me a lot to find trending products that are trending on TikTok. You guys can click here on free trial and you can get your free trial and you can try this website, and after you finish you can just use your email address to sign up. So after you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page with ShopL, and you should have an account like this one. Super easy to use, it's friendly and it's simple and easy. As you can see, we have here TikTok ecom trending, and in the past 7 days we have this data 198 million in revenue. You guys can see here the products, 1.1 million products, and total sales 10.6 million in total sales in the past 7 days. Okay, which is really insane. This is just in United States. If we scroll down, we have here the product that are trending, the category of product that are trending. You guys can see the first category is of course beauty and personal care. Those products are really very profitable, and especially women pay so much money for those products. Okay, so what we will do next to choose good and trending product, to know which products are trending on TikTok, we will click here on product. Okay, and we will click on top sales, and you will be directly in this page. You guys can see the product that are trending in those countries. Okay, you have here country, and you can choose which country you want to see the product that are trending in this country. We have United States, United Kingdom, Indonesia, Thailand, and so on. Okay, I'm gonna choose United States, leave it in United States. Scroll down, you have category. You can choose which category of product that you want to see, or you can leave it in all. For me, I will leave it like this, all, to see all categories. You have also filters. You can set a specific price, commissions, relevant influencers, and so much more. Okay, so just leave it like this. Choose United States, category just like this, all. And if you scroll down, go over here and choose weekly. You can choose 1 day, weekly, monthly. I'm gonna choose weekly. Okay, to see which products are trending weekly in United States. If I scroll down, I have here the rank. This is one. This one is ranking number one. You guys can see this product is ranking on TikTok and it's trending in United States. This one, okay? We have this one here, number two. Those products are for women. You guys can see what I said. Beauty and personal care are a profitable product that you can promote on TikTok. So let's scroll down. We can find more. You have a lot here. You have a lot of data, and you can find trending product that you can start promoting as an affiliate marketer with Amazon Associate. So let me choose like this one. You guys can see this one, Goli. This one is also a good one. Okay, you can see this one in the weekly. He is this product just weekly getting to 20,000 sales. Okay, 20,000 sales. That's really a lot. Okay, you can see the revenue here. This is good for me. This is good one that I can promote on TikTok. I will click on this product like this. Just click on the product that you want to produce, that you want to start promoting to get more data. Okay, and here you go. You will be directly in this product detail, and you can see here the product name. You have also TikTok product page, home page here that you can check. Sales volume, you can see it's close to 1 million. Okay, to 1 million sales, which is really insane. Look at the views, likes that this product is getting on TikTok. And if we scroll down here, you guys can see in the past 7 days, this is the number of sales, 22,000 sales. It's just in the past 7 days. This which so meaning that this product is really good and people are buying this product on TikTok. This is the revenue in the past 7 days, just 7 days. You guys can see. This is the videos that they uploaded, and you can see here more data. So this one, for example, this one is really good for you to start promoting it on TikTok. So what you will do, I will copy the name of this product like this. You can copy the name from here, or you can copy the product title from here. Okay, I will copy just this name, and what I will do next, I will go to Amazon. Go and open your Amazon account like this. Click on the search and search for this product. Search for this one, okay, like this. And here you go. You will find a lot of products here on Amazon provided by the different sellers. What you need to do is you need to choose a good seller that has a lot of reviews, good reviews. So when people will check this product page from your affiliate link, they will find that the seller is good seller and people are already satisfying with the result and with the product. Okay, so scroll down and pay close attention. For example, and here you go. This is the product. You guys can see. Do you see this? Over 100,000 people paid for this product multiple times. This is what I'm talking about. This is the proof. The product is already working and it's trending on TikTok. I'm not sure. There is no secrets. You guys can see. You have everything. Do you understand how if you are choosing like those products that are trending and that people paying multiple times on for them on Amazon, you can get so much traffic if you are choosing like those products. You guys can see over 100,000 people paid for this one multiple time. This one, and we find this one in ShopL. That's why I show you. This is the power of ShopL website. It will help you get trending product that you can start promoting on TikTok that are already trending, and you already have traffic there. You just need to go and start promoting those products. You guys can see it's the same product. You can see here. Okay, I will choose this one. I will click on this one. Okay, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. You guys can see. What you will do next is you need to download. You have here videos. You see videos. We need to download one of those videos that we can use on TikTok. So what I will do, I will click on those videos to show you. Okay, and here you go. You see, we have different videos here. We have videos for this product. You guys can see. So how we can download those videos? You see. So how we can download those videos? So here is what you will do next. Pay close attention. Click over here and go to extension, go to visit Chrome Web Store, okay, and go to your Chrome Web Store, okay, and install this extension, this one, Amazon Video Downloader. You guys can screenshot this name and you can search for this extension and install this extension in your Chrome Web Store, okay, in your in your Chrome, in your Google Chrome, okay, Amazon Video Downloader. After you finished, it's gonna be like this. If you click on this one, on this extension, Amazon Video Downloader, you will find a lot of videos here, okay, you see, and you can start downloading those videos that you can use to promote your Amazon affiliate links on TikTok, okay, you see. For example, let's check this one. You just need to click on download, and here you go. You will be directly in this Amazon Video Downloader. You guys can see this, okay, you see. Let's check.
I've been taking these golly ashwagandha gummies for the last 2 weeks. Anytime I'm feeling stressed out, like I just need to relax, I will take one of these and just chill. It's supposed to help you relax.
You see this? This customer is satisfying, is happy with this product, and he is talking about the product, which is good. So for me, I will click on download video. The video will be downloaded into my laptop. Pay close attention. What you will do next, go to Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, okay, this will be your home page. It's for free. Click over here on video and click on TikTok video, okay, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload and click on upload file and just upload this video that you download from Amazon, okay, this one about this Golly product. Click on open and the video will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. Click on your video and here you go. Your video will be like this. You guys can see. What you will do next,
I've been taking these golly
okay, just wait. Click on this 3 point, scroll down, click on set video as background, and here you go. Click over here on elements. Click on elements, okay. So first, okay, before you click on elements, click on text. First, we need to create a text. Click on text, scroll down, and you will find a lot of different style of text that you can use over here. I'm gonna use this one. So just click on the text style, make sure it's clear and it's simple so people can see it good and see it clear, okay. I will delete the second one, decrease the font size of this text and put this text here, double click and write this sentence. Link in my bio, okay, link in my bio. We will put our affiliate link in our bio, in our Amazon bio, okay, in our TikTok bio, okay, TikTok account. Link in my bio. Click on elements, choose this ship, go to ships, choose this one, just click on this ship. Let me show you like this. Click on color, okay, and choose black color and put this, let me show you, put this ship behind your text like this, okay, super easy and simple. Link in my bio, and here you go, you have a TikTok video, okay. Let's check.
I've been taking these golly ashwagandha gummies for the last 2 weeks. Anytime I'm feeling stressed out, like I just need to relax, I will take one of these and just chill. It's supposed to help you relax.
You see the customer is talking about the product like I said. After you finish, click on share and click over here on download. This TikTok video will be downloaded into your laptop, okay. What you will do next, go and create a TikTok business account. Create a TikTok business account. You don't know the potential of TikTok. You should know that TikTok has a lot of traffic, 2 billion monthly visitors. The traffic is already there. People are uploading stupid videos and they are getting a million of views. You can get so much traffic to your affiliate links using TikTok, okay. 2 billion monthly visitors. Create a TikTok business account. Click on upload the video, and so what you will do next, you will upload the video. What you will do next, pay close attention, go back to this product page, click on get link, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link for this product. Copy this affiliate link and you can go back to TikTok and put this affiliate link in your bio. But of course you will not, but because you need to put a lot of affiliate links. So what you will do instead is you need to create an affiliate website. TikTok bio, put your affiliate website link there and put all the product that you want to promote inside your affiliate website, and start promoting those products on TikTok. Use ShopL to find trending products and start. You just need to start. People are uploading videos, they are getting a million of views on TikTok. For you, upload videos that can help people. Upload those videos that will get you money, that will make you money. Start promoting. This is exactly how you can start promoting Amazon affiliate links on TikTok. This is the right and the proven method that I'm using to make so much commissions every single day. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do have an Amazon affiliate marketing course that teaching you everything step by step, how you can create an affiliate website. You will get access to all my profitable product that I'm promoting. I'm not using just TikTok, I'm using Instagram, I'm using YouTube, I'm using Pinterest, I'm using also Facebook groups and so much more. Inside my course I shared everything. So for people who are interested, you guys can you guys can reach out to me in my email address and my description, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you in my next videos.